Is Gina. My register number is U15CS120. My main aim of the program is to implement merge sort and quick sort by using an array. This is my program. I'm including the header file history and by using namespace standard, I'm initializing array of 50 and I'm initializing low in the array uh, 0 to 50 and having low value, mid value and high value and void merge I'm initializing here this is my argument I'm assigning int pointer a int low int high and int mid and I'm initializing j h and c array of 50 and this is my value that is I is taken as low j is taken as mid plus 1 and h is taken as low and this is the condition while I is less than or is equal to mid and j less than or is equal to high. If this condition is satisfied, then the elements is subdivided into two halves, like 25, 25, and C array of A, H plus plus, H plus plus. This idea is being performed. Else, else, if this goes on, this condition is being done, and again it is being subdivided from those two division. Again, we are dividing into two half. By dividing, we are sorting the list and then putting it all together into a single list, whether in ascending or descending order, sorting out in an order. And while j is less than or equal to high, and if this condition is satisfied, then I'm using the for loop I is equal to low, j is less than high, and I plus plus. And a array of is equal to c array of I and is the void merge sort that is int array of pointer a low and high and int mid I'm initializing till low is less than high till the sum condition is satisfied till the elements is being sorted the array is being subdivided into five halves two halves into two in the 2 order and the mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. This is the main formula. And for merge sort, by this we are dividing the whole array into two half and then we are sorting the values and now I'm entering into the main function by initializing k. K is the input and see how this is the output of log enter the value of the element in the array. And int I is equal to 0. I'm initializing a for loop and here array of I I'm initializing here and I'm calling the function merge sort a 0 and k there is low mid and high and the sorted array I'm giving and for loop int I is equal to 0 I less than or is equal to k I plus plus c out array of I is equal to easy total output. I'm going to compile the program. See, enter any elements of the array. Here I'm going to give here I'm going to give the number as 7. I'm going to enter values 34, 67, 12, 50. 5 elements have been inserted. 22, 3. Now the sorted limits are, it is in ascending order. Now I'm going to do the queue. Queue is the same, the sorting element. Sorting is to make the search easier. Searching is searching the values. And this is my, this is my program. I'm including the main header file, iStream, and namespace standard. And this is the quick sort. First I did the merge sort, now it's quick sort. That is, it is more efficient than the merge sort. It can easily find the element and it is very efficient and in partition and now I'm initializing A of 5. Starting itself I initialize 100, 43, 16, 23 and 90. This should be arranged in the whether in the ascending or the descending order. And P is I'm initializing it at 0 and Q as 5. And the C out is the element in the array. I'm using the for loop in I is equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. C out is array of I and enter in quicksort A, P, Q, that is low, mid, and high, and C out is sorted list. For sorted list, I is equal to 0, I'm initializing, and I less than 5, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be lesser than 5, and I plus plus. These are the 5 elements, so it should be 5 or less than 5. C out A of I. In partitioners, I'm gonna separate those two into two halves. Array of A, array pointer of A, initializing P and int Q. And in K is equal to array of P, I is equal to P. That is, it is to check the it is to check the greater number from the pivot. The keyword I'm using the keyword to check to each of the element and I'm initializing the keyword as temp and int j starts from right by checking the smaller than the pivot or greater than the pivot then I plus plus. If the condition is satisfied, this is being performed, checking the first elements and swapping those two depend upon the increasing or the decreasing order, whether it should be arranged in ascending or descending order. And this condition is being done and return I. Now the quicksort pointer A in P and in Q and I'm initializing R. If this condition is being satisfied, P is less than Q, then R partition is being performed and these are being done. And this is a function called stir or the elements get sorted. It calls again and part and again stops and again till the it gets the final sorted element. I'm gonna compile the program. Already I've initialized this and now it is arranged in ascending order 16, then 43 and 90, 23 and 100 and this is the sorted list. Thank you.